How to make delicious coffee punch, easy recipe. Hey everyone, welcome back to our kitchen. Today, I've got a delightful treat for you, a recipe for delicious coffee punch that's perfect for any occasion. Whether you're hosting a brunch, a party, or just want to treat yourself, this coffee punch is sure to impress. So let's dive right in. To start off, we'll need some strong brewed coffee. I've got about 4 cups here, but you can adjust the quantity based on how many servings you need. Ingredients: 4 cups strong brewed coffee, chilled. 1 can, 14 ounces, sweetened condensed milk. 1 cup milk. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, optional. Ice cubes. Whipped cream and cinnamon sticks for garnish. Instructions. Next, we'll add in a can of sweetened condensed milk. This will give our coffee punch a rich and creamy texture, with just the right amount of sweetness. Now, let's pour in a cup of regular milk. You can use whole milk for a creamier punch, or opt for a lighter option like almond milk if you prefer. To enhance the flavor, we'll add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a hint of ground cinnamon. This is optional, but it adds a lovely warmth to the punch. Give it a good stir to make sure all the ingredients are nicely blended together. Now, it's time to serve. Fill up a punch bowl or a large pitcher with some ice cubes to keep our coffee punch nice and cold. Carefully pour the coffee mixture over the ice cubes. And just look at that beautiful creamy texture. For the finishing touch, top it off with some fluffy whipped cream and a couple of cinnamon sticks for a touch of elegance. And there you have it, our delicious coffee punch is ready to be enjoyed. It's creamy, refreshing, and packed with the rich flavor of coffee. Perfect for any time of day. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. If you give this recipe a try, be sure to let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Until next time, happy cooking. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.